I welcome you all to the another interesting class of Professor Bhupesh Daryani. That's me. So that's our question number 5 of chapter number 1, some basic concepts of chemistry. And now let's begin our lecture for this question. In this question, they are asking you to calculate the mass of sodium acetate, which is having a chemical formula CH₃COONa. Okay, required to make 500 milliliter of its 0.375 molar aqueous solution. Okay, the detail which they have given over here in the question is the molar mass of sodium acetate. Now the first thing which most of the students are going to do after mugging up this question is that they are simply going to panic that what the hell is asked in the question. But in my lectures you need not have to panic. Now I am going to first explain you that what they have asked in the question. Just imagine, students, that in this question they are having a tumbler. Okay, now in the tumbler, the data which they have given you is the volume of solution. The volume of solution which they have gave you is 500 ml, and they are telling you that in this tumbler, if you are going to add up a chemical, that is sodium acetate, which is a chemical formula of CH₃COONa. Okay, if we are going to add this chemical, a solution is going to get prepared, and the solution is having molar aqueous concentration, which is also called as molarity. Okay, that is 0.375. Okay, in this question they have asked you molar aqueous solution. Now this terms molar aqueous solution or molar aqueous concentration or molarity, all three of these terms are actually same, so you need not have to get confused in these three terms. Okay, if they are asking you about molar aqueous concentration or molar aqueous solution or molarity, these three things are just same. So in this question they have give you molarity, they have give you volume. Now what they're asking you is this, that what is the mass of this chemical that we are adding to make this solution. So this is the thing which you have to calculate. I hope that you have won half of the war after understanding the thing which they have asked in the question. Now let's begin up the question. So for solving up such questions, first of all we have to write the data which they have mentioned you in the question. In this question, the data which they have given you is the volume of solution, which is 500 ml. Apart from the fact, another information which they have given you, apart from that they have given us the molarity over here. Okay, so what was the molarity? Just a moment, it was 0.375. Okay, so now students, I want you to just recall that what was the formula for molarity. For calculating of molarity, the formula was number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So students, now here is our tumbler which is having the solution, and in that solution we were just going to add up our chemical compound. Okay, so the water over here was our solvent, and the chemical which we were pouring over here, okay, which was CH₃COONa. Okay, that chemical was our solute. So now here we need to calculate the number of moles of solute that are going to get added. The molarity which they have given in the question was 0.375, and the number of moles is the thing which you have to calculate. The volume is already they have given us, which was 500 milliliter. But now students, recall that in this formula the volume which we need to take should be always in liters. They have given us 500 milliliter. If I'm going to convert 500 milliliter into liter, how much it is going to be? It is going to be 0.5 liter. So now if I'm going to just cross multiply this magnitudes over here, I have got the number of moles of solute that have added over here is 0.1875 is the number of moles of sodium acetate that had got added in water for making up this solution. Now half of our problem has got solved. We have to calculate the given mass of sodium acetate over here. Now for calculating up the given mass, just recall the formula for number of moles. The formula is over here. Number of moles of any substance is equals to given mass divided by molar mass of that substance. Now, here are the two quantities that we need to add up in this formula. First of all, one is molar mass, the second one is the number of mole. Number of mole is the quantity which we have just calculated over here, that is 0.1875. Just keep it into the place. On the place of given mass in the numerator, just write given mass. In the denominator, for the molar mass part, do recall that in the question itself they have given us the value of the molar mass for sodium acetate, that was 82.0245. Let me write it over here, 82.0245. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cross multiply this magnitudes, and I have got my answer, which is 15.38 grams. This is our answer. And what it was the amount of sodium acetate that had got dissolved in water for making up this solution, which was having the molarity of 0.375. Okay, so students, I hope you have understood the basics of this question, and I'm going to see you all in the another video of my YouTube channel. Till then, have a great day, and if you're having any doubt furtherly, then please post them down in the comment section below. So till then, students, enjoy your day, and I'm going to take a leave now. Goodbye.